Discipline is a skill, not a character trait, and just like any skill, it can be practiced and improved upon incrementally. Try not to get discouraged. If you have a day or multiple days where you are less disciplined than you would like or need to be, don't quit. Don't spend the next week dinging Netflix because you think it's hopeless endeavor. Just get up the next day and try again. Each day you try is more practice, and each day you practice, you'll get a little bit better, and that continual improvement will pay dividends in the long run.